Welcome back. Now, in this video tutorial, we are going to be looking at 15 business opportunities that are available for you as a graphic designer. 15 business opportunities that are available for you as a graphic designer. So let's get started. Now, number one is you can actually be a freelancer, freelance graphic design. You can be a freelancer. So what that means is that you can offer services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Okay, you can offer freelancing services to clients on this platform who are seeking custom graphics for their project. So you can actually do that, and then of course it's going to be for a fee. For a fee. Now the second one is that you can also make money as a logo designer. So logo design is also something you may want to look into. Logo design is actually a special skill. Not so many who are graphic designers are logo designers. So if you are interested in specializing in creating unique and memorable logos for businesses in order to help them establish strong brand identity and visibility online, then you can actually go into this, and of course it comes with a lot of bucks, a lot of money. Okay, now number three, you can also make money through print design. Okay, you can provide design services for printed materials such as brochures, posters, and business cards, and then you make money. Okay, so you can go into that. Number four, you can also go into social media graphics. Okay, this is where you help businesses enhance their online presence by creating eye-catching graphics for social media platforms. So there are businesses on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, who might actually need your services in helping them create, social media graphics. So you might want to go into this. And then number five, you can also make money as a web designer, or you can also collaborate with a web designer in order to execute projects. So you can offer website design services, creating to individuals and businesses looking to have visually appealing and functional websites. So you can collaborate with a web designer in order to come up with visually appealing and functional website. Okay, that's also a good way of making money. The another one is you can come handy for those who might need stunning ebook cover designs, especially in a time where there is a rise in self-publishing books and there and all of that. So there's a lot of demand for striking ebook covers. So you can actually tap into this market and make out a big time from this particular aspect of business. Then another one is merchandise design. So in this one, you can actually collaborate with individuals or brands to design merchandise like t-shirts, like mugs, or phone cases. Okay, so you can also delve into this aspect to make money. Then another aspect you can also go into is infographic designs. In this one, what you do is to present information in a visually engaging way through infographics for businesses or educational purposes. So you can actually go into this if you have interest in infographic design. Okay, and another very powerful one you can also go into is the UI and UX design. This one is also a special skill and of course high paying skill. You can focus on user interface and experience design for websites and applications. So here you are going to be helping them with product design, and then you will be responsible for the website interface, the phone interface, and the application interface. Okay, so you can also delve into this if you are interested and make a lot of money. Now another one is specialized niche design. In this one, you can explore niche markets such as designing graphics for the gaming industry, designing graphics for health and wellness industry, or partnering with eco-friendly businesses to design special niche graphics. Okay, so you can also do that. Then you can also delve into graphic design training. You can conduct physical or online training for people in order to equip them with this particular skill for a fee. Now, I see a lot of graphic designers, delving into this aspect and making a whole lot of money from it. So you can also do that after you have mastered your skill. Now, another way of also making money from your skill is by creating courses. Okay, you can actually create courses on graphic design, on typography, on color, how to choose color, okay, on special arts in Canva, in Pixel Lab, in Photoshop, and then you put it together as a course, and of course, you host it on hosting platforms, and then you grant people access to it for a fee. You can also do that. All right. Then another thing you can also do is to put your skills, your experience, your expertise into a book, an ebook. So you create an ebook detailing the graphic design fundamentals, projects, design arcs, design principles, design processes, and of course, you can now decide to put all this together in a book and then sell it on either Seller or Amazon or any other publishing platform. Okay, so you can do that and make money out of this. Now, the other way of making money could be by affiliate program. You can actually create an affiliate program on Seller for your course or courses and earn as people promote your courses for you. So when people get the link for the course, they promote it on their social media, and then when people come to buy, you are going to make money, and the affiliates are also going to make their own money. So it's a win-win. All right. Now, lastly, you can actually also make money through speaking engagements. Now, when you have become an authority in your niche, people will love to share in your experience and expertise, thereby inviting you to speak in conferences, in workshops, and in seminars. So, of course, this one is not for free. In fact, you have been seen as an authority, and so you are going to be charging no high because of the perception people now have about you as an authority in that field. So this also comes with lots of money. So you can also delve into this after you have actually been able to build your personal brand and you have become an authority in graphic design. So I hope with these 15 business opportunities, you can narrow down on a few ones that you want to start making money from and position yourself for that opportunities. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.